This is Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set Opera as your default app for browsing on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings, then find and enter the apps category, then go for the app info section. At the top right corner, tap on these three vertical dots, then go for the default app settings. At the following page, go for the browser field over here and simply select Opera by tapping on it. And that will effectively mean that you have successfully set Opera to be your default browser app on this device. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself, so let me show you, well, how you can do that as well. So let's launch the Opera. At the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar, then go for the settings by tapping on this cog icon. Then scroll the page down for a little bit and tap on the default browser section. Next, select Opera and choose to set it as default option. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.